Open source AI just got a seismic upgrade. Meet DeepSeek-R1, the latest reasoning model from China's DeepSeek Lab. It's open source, ridiculously affordable, and already challenging OpenAI's O1 model on key benchmarks like physics, science, and math. Let's dive in. Here's the scoop. DeepSeek-R1 is a reasoning-first AI model designed for reliability in fields like physics, math, and science. With 671 billion parameters, it's massive. But don't worry, there are smaller, distilled versions with as few as 1.5 billion parameters that can run locally on your laptop. Oh, and did I mention? It costs just 14 cents per million input tokens, compared to OpenAI's O1 at a whopping $7.50. And here's the kicker. It outperforms O1 on benchmarks like AIME, Math 500, and SWBench Verified. Open source AI just leveled up, big time. Or you can run DeepSeek-R1 fully locally, even in your browser, thanks to WebGPU. At speeds of 60 tokens per second, it's like having a pocket-sized superintelligence right on your machine. Want to see it in action? Here's DeepSeek solving the Pythagorean theorem visually in under 30 seconds, no errors, just pure precision. DeepSeek's secret sauce? Its reasoning capabilities. You can even extract the reasoning module called DeepSeek Reasoner and combine it with any other model. It's like adding a brain to your favorite AI assistant. Imagine chatting with your PDF files using DeepSeek, implementing visual concepts like a rotating triangle with a red ball, or running the full 671B model on consumer hardware with M2 Ultras. With tools like MLX.distributed and 3-bit quantization, DeepSeek proves that open source AI is not just a dream, it's the future. Why does this matter? Because open source AI is redefining the rules of the game. While OpenAI has shifted focus away from open source research, DeepSeek is sharing not just their models, but their entire training methodology under an MIT license. It's affordable, accessible, and ready to empower developers, educators, and businesses worldwide. Ready to dive into the future of AI? DeepSeek-R1 is here to redefine possibilities. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting AI updates. And let us know in the comments, what's the first project you tackle with DeepSeek-R1?